martial arts and fitness fans. This is Wing Chun Kid here. Today I'm going to show you 5 of the advanced Wing Chun exercises and workout that I do. Here, check it out. It's a combination of yoga and martial arts training. Are you ready? Here we go. Here's the single leg squat. It's a useful exercise to get really strong legs. Here's how you do it. First of all, let's do a regular squat. Just going down and up. Just go down, put your hands out like this, straight. Then come up, then come back. So from the side, just like this, and like this. So that's a regular squat with both legs. Now all you need to do is do it with one leg. So what you do is just lift up one leg, and slowly go down as far as you can without having this foot touch the ground, and come back up like that. Okay, do that again. Breathe out, breathe in. Make sure you combine your breathing with your movements. To the side, you do it like this. Another point is to keep your toes pointing straight, not outwards, not inwards. Okay, so when I'm doing the squat, my toe is pointing straight. So this way, leg up, hands up, now slowly, all the way. You can stick this one leg out, point your toes, like that. You come up slowly, like this. So that's the single leg squat. Here's a couple variations you can do for the single leg squat. You can start adding some weights to your hand. A good one to start with is just a regular pole or a wooden bow staff like this one. So we can do the same thing, except now we're going to hold up the staff like this and do the squat. Wiggle your toes back and forth, turn it around, keep this nice and straight, and come back up with the weight. As you get stronger, you can add weight onto this. Here's an advanced version of the single leg squat. We're going to combine the bow staff and also a couple more movements of the leg. So do your squat as regularly, and when you get the lowest position, move out your left leg or your outside leg to the side, and rotate it to the back, to the side, and back to the front. Then get back up slowly. Do that. Do that 5 to 10 times, and you'll feel the burn. The reason we do this is now you strengthen your entire hip muscles in your leg and in your core. So train hard and have fun. The side plank. A lot of people do it with just the hands, which is great, but we're going to do it with our knuckles. This is really good for Jeet Kune Do training when they do their straight lead. Now you can use the side plank to solidify and strengthen your straight lead. We can do it on the ground. So how you do it is start kneeling on the ground, put your fist down in vertical position, stretch out your legs, left one, and then put your right one underneath it. Now once you got this position, try to keep your body straight, don't hang like this, don't hang like this, keep it nice and straight. Imagine a straight line going from your top of your head to your toe. Then stick out this arm, raise it up as high as you can, and make a nice stretch from your fingertips down to your while you're doing the exercise to get more strength and to have proper